All right, so we are back at the Bearwood property. This is week 4, I believe. Front room, a lot of the painting has been done. Obviously, we're still addressing that. There's a basic leak over there. We need to redo the whole roof. A lot of the painting is now done. It's good. So the new radiators are here. That's them there. The old one, as you can see, it's going to stick out quite a bit. These are the new radiators. They look quite good, and new TRVs as well. So we've thermal insulated that wall there. Hopefully that's resolved the issue, but we won't know about it if it's resolved it properly until about a year's time, unfortunately. So new skirting, that's been replastered, doors being sanded down, new kitchen units here, and doors being repainted as well. That's fresh paint. Yeah, start to look like a new room. Okay, so this is the kitchen. The kitchen units are in. These tiles we're going to keep, so I'm just checking to see if they were just clean. Yeah, we can just scrub them up and they should be fine. I don't think we need to do grouting. So that's fine, that's one of the things I wanted to check. So this is a really narrow kitchen. That's for the fridge freezer. Cabinets, sink over there, the washing machine will go there. What I'm going to do is, because that space isn't large enough to get the appliances in, we're going to take that away. So the options are to get the fridge freezer, get the washing machine now, plumb it in, and then fit that in. But then if there's an issue in the future, we won't be able to get the washing machine in or out, or get a new one in or out. So another option is to remove that and then leave that space for a new fridge freezer, and then that fridge freezer can then be moved around and when it's needed to be able to move in a washing machine. That way, otherwise that is fitted to the walls and you can't move that around, and plus then you'd have a fridge freezer in it as well. Okay, so everything's being put up. The guys are upstairs. So Carl has attended and cleared out all the rubbish in the back. So this will be the first one. I suspect we'll probably have to ask Carl to come back again near the end. Once the job's done, I'll ask Ken. Actually, I'll get Ken to do it now, because there's no. Yeah, because then he'll need to go through the property to get the rubbish out the front. So I'll ask him to come now and provide a quote, see what needs doing here, provide a quote to get it done. I suspect it's replacing a lot of these panels, removing these wires, because that's not safe, and generally clearing everything up, and then would have to then take the rubbish through the property to the front. And so it's best to do it now before the carpets and the new flooring goes down. Hopefully that's okay. The woodworm has been treated there as well, so that should be okay, and then we'll put a trim on top. Need to check the flooring to see if that's okay to put laminate flooring down. Upstairs.
You keep messing with it.
Okay, so new bathtub, new toilet. Otherwise, the place has been redecorated. Actually, looks really nice. It's actually. So this is what the walls would look like when it's painted, not on wallpaper. So that looks really nice. And that's what it looks like when you paint over wallpaper. So not ideal. You can see the difference, can't you? Versus that. Unfortunately, with wood chip wallpaper, if you start taking these off, half the wall will come off with it, and then you'd have to replaster and then repaint everything on top. It's costly. So yeah, we're just going to paint them. It looks fine. It doesn't look as nice as this. Okay, so Carl's been, he's attended, he's removed all the rubbish left by the previous tenants and previous owner from up there. There's 270mm insulation and it's been floored, so that should be okay. We just need for an EPC to get it to an EPC rating of a C. Let's have a look at that. That's the toilet. So the new bathroom is being done. That's the second bedroom, and this is the bathroom. So a new bathroom is being put in. Replastered, it's doing the plumbing now. So that's the copper wire that they're putting in. That's where the bathtub will go with a shower overhead, and they've started to do the painting as well. That's for the extractor fan. And I think, yeah, and that's it. And if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. I let to manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. Alright, see you.